Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPad mini 2021. Start by opening Play Store on an Android and App Store on Apple. Now you need to tap on the search bar on both devices and type Send Anywhere. Following that, download this free app. From this developer and open it. Now you need to select Allow access to all photos, click on Allow and tap on OK on Apple device, and now we need to wait for this one to download. Finally click on Open. I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now finally we can pick Receive on iPad and Send on an Android. Then click on all of those kind of dots and select Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only click on this one photo, just send, and I've got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on iPad. Come on. Finally, OK. Now choose OK and point your device's camera at the code. Now we need to wait and choose OK. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!